Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by granting camera permission and opening the Wi-Fi QR Scanner app so scanning can begin immediately. Once done, position your phone camera over the QR code and hold steady for a second. The app reads the encoded SSID and security type. If a prompt appears, choose to import network details. Make sure any pop-up explaining storage or clipboard access is accepted only if you intend to save credentials. Otherwise, skip and proceed to connection. You now verify what the scanner extracted. Once the app decodes the QR, it displays SSID, security type, and password. Read them aloud to check for OCR errors. If characters look wrong, tap to edit. Special characters and uppercase letters often misread, so correct them before proceeding. After correction, press Connect or Save to add the network profile. If the app asks to apply network permissions, allow them so the phone can join automatically. You finish by tapping Connect and watching for the system confirmation that you're joined to the network. If connection fails, make sure the security type matches, WPA2 versus WPA3, and re-enter the password manually. Mismatched encryption is a common cause. Once connected, test internet access in a browser. Troubleshooting tip: if scanning repeatedly fails, retake the photo at a different angle, temporarily disable VPNs or network blockers, or reboot the router.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.